Hey folks, I'm Walter.
I'm Rebecca.
And today we're making grilled leek and bean salad. So we're going a little bit light today and we're making grilled leeks and beans. Rebecca, what's a leek?
For those of you who have never seen one, that is a leek. It's a member of the onion family, pretty mild.
It's also the first animations I ever did for Alton Brown. It was the Sprung a Leek episode.
Cut off the little knobby ends. And then you cut off, we're only going to keep that. So really that's all you're going to keep of the leek. Let's cut them in half. For now, as much cutting as we'll do. So, and if you can see, definitely this one has definitely got some dirt and stuff in it. So basically you're trying to make sure it's clean between all of these little layers.
Okay, I've got a 6-burner grill out here and I've just got the center 4 on because they don't take up a lot of room. All we got to do is just put them the cut side down. We're looking at about 5 to 10 minutes. We want them to start to get tender on that side, and then we'll flip them over and just do it for about another 3 minutes. So you notice they're kind of falling apart here. Actually, when you do this, you're supposed to keep the end on it, which will hold them together. Without that end, they're just kind of coming apart like pieces of paper. So never let the woman cut it without looking at the instructions.
I just am used to cutting leeks where they're not grilled, so I would cut off both ends. Now, you would cut off the end after they were grilled, but apparently I was supposed to have left it on before.
Just trying to make my life difficult. She's trying to ruin this video. I'm so sorry. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's what you're looking for. Got a little char on it. It's all nice and soft. That's not burned. That's just charred.
Calls for 1 cup of Great Northern beans. I'm just going to use the whole can because why not? And then we're going to make up our salad dressing.
So one of the little tips about the dressing is we always make double.
Calls for 1 tablespoon, so we're doing 2. Olive oil. So 2 tablespoons of that. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon. I like it a little more on the vinegary side.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Dijon.
Watch this, everybody.
It's supposed to be... Oh, it's not opened. You knew that, didn't you?
I could see the little white thing in there.
I'm going to just do almost a tablespoon. And then...
You can tell she's got the recipe memorized. It's over there.
Some salt and pepper. Whisk it up. And then we're going to taste it to see if we like it.
One of the big keys to cooking, just always taste it. Add more or less of whatever you think it needs. You know, maybe you want some sriracha in there or some hot sauce. You can throw that in there too. Why not? That's really good. Yum. See, it's really not a whole lot of dressing, but that was double the amount.
And then just stir it up.
Stir it up.
Lastly,
Parsley.
chopped Italian parsley. Although you could use the curly kind if that's what you have.
Look at that. Delicious, simple, easy. Hey, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on that bell icon so that you know when we have more deliciousness just for you. I'm Walter.
I'm Rebecca.
Thanks for watching. And today we're making grilled. Hey, if you like what you're doing, keep doing it. Whatever it is you're doing on the other side of that TV.
Because it's working for you.